Good day. So today I'm working on an IoT project whereby I have an ESP. Yes, an ESP. And then this ESP, I'm supposed to create a smart home system whereby like I have an LEDR sensor which is gonna read the light in the room, and then I have a temperature sensor of which is gonna read the temperature, and also have a motion sensor which is going to check for a presence inside the house, and then a light which is an output, and then also be able to control a fan. So far, unfortunately, due to because of I couldn't manage to get the components yet, so will be using my analog inputs. I'll be replacing them with my potentiometers, and then for the fan, I'll just be using this uh motor, just this DC motor. Um, yeah, if I face some challenges, then guys, still in the process, but hopefully one day it will be superb. Okay, so I have also a button, which is for the sensing. Yes, and yeah. So basically, my circuit is like this. Okay, this one's not connected correctly. Okay, this one, Arduino, right? Uh, Arduino, I'm only using it just like my power source. Yes. So let me just fix it. This one's supposed to go to VCC. Okay. So yeah, everything seems to be set, and then yeah, let's get to it. So first things first, I'm going to go to my code. This is my code, and then this is my server code. Yeah, and then this one is my hardware code. But then here I just wrote it for coding purposes. But then I'm using this one. As you can see, there's already data going through. It's because like it's already reading some few values, right? Okay, so this one, let's see, and supposed to be online. Okay, seems like I'm having some connection issues. Oh, sorry about that. Let me check. Uh, okay. Alright, so my Wi-Fi is connected. Seems like I'm getting an error for now. So yeah, let me just try to fix that error. Okay, let's do this. Oh, the reason why I'm receiving this error is because like my server is not yet running. Yeah, I recall. And so what is going to happen then? Is that from here? So about this from here, we're going to run the server first, right? The server, okay, it's running, and then open the website, open it, and then as you can see, immediately by running the server, there's already some functions happening. And then here I'm just gonna be using it just to read what's going on from Flet, data from Flet, and then data from ESP. Alright, then moving on, I will run my Flet app, and let's wait a little bit. Kind of takes a little bit of time to load. Yeah, okay, the server is already active. As you can see, it's been refreshing every 1 second, it's refreshing. And then, yeah, I'm waiting for the app to open up. As you can see here already, there are some readings that are going through. Okay, so this is the welcome screen for my app, and then you can sign up if you don't have an account. If you have an account, you can log in. So it's like this. Okay, as you can see, I'm in. All right, so from this app, doesn't automatically refresh, right? It refreshes on changes. So as you can see, it looks like it's almost blank. Okay, let me show this feature first. Then you can log out and then create a new account. Let's say the name, SIP, and then the password is 123 again, and then you can like sign up, and then you log in, then you're in. Okay, so from here, you can dark mode, night mode, depending on your preference, and then in order for me to be able to get this data, I have to make some changes first, of which are going to trigger it to, you know, to read data from the server and stuff like that. As you can see, it already got data. And then on my circuit, my LED is off. It's off. My fan, I have an issue with the fan, but then supposedly it's supposed to be off. And then as you can see, presence, no presence, meaning motion detector is 0, right? Okay. So the temperature is at 24, which is this one. I can adjust it to be 45 or something like that. Then as you can see, it's supposed to update, and it's 45 maximum, and then can be like minimum, of which I control the temperature using this potentiometer. And yeah, okay. Then the light reading, using the other potentiometer to control it as well. So let me just place this like this, and then bring this one here on the screen so that we can see. Okay, so as you can see, when I switch on the light here, you can see here it's going to change to on, and then on, and also on the second it's going to be on. And then fan control is the one function that's giving me problems at the moment, but it will be fixed later. And then for the temperature, you can adjust this temperature manually. Then if I do that, as you can see, it increases. I switch it up again, it increases to 45. And then for the presence, I'm clicking on the button and then supposed to say motion yes. And then as you can see, there is motion. Here on the app is supposed to say, where it says no presence, it's supposed to say presence. But then seems like there's a little bit of some bugs there, of which I will also have to attend to. So basically that's what my circuit does. And then when I control the motor is supposed to go on. Yeah, that's basically what it is supposed to do, but then having some minor issues with that. But from what I've seen is that my motion sensor, it works properly. So you can see I press the button, there is motion, and then the LED I can also like control it here, on or off. And later on I'll be implementing an automatic control mode whereby like the light is going to switch it on itself automatically. Yes, so this is what I have so far. And then log out, close here, close there. And then this is the code for the hardware, the ESP. Then here is my serial monitor, of which I can read some functions of what is going on at real time. Yes, and that's basically it.